Welcome to Let's Do English. A very warm welcome to all that are here on my channel. Before we get started, feel free to take a moment to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more such videos. In today's video, we will learn about phonics. Phonics is a branch of linguistics that allows one to recognize the sound associated with each letter of the alphabet. Now, why is phonics important? Learning phonics helps one to read and spell words easily and quickly. Now, let us take a look at the alphabets and the sound that each of these alphabets produce. A, 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 apple. B, 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 ball. C, k, k, cat. D, 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 dog. E, 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 elephant. F, 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 fish. G, 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 gorilla. H, hat. I, e, e, insect. J, 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 juice. K, 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 kangaroo. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nose. O, 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 octopus. P, pig. Q, qu, queen. R, ring. S, sun. T, train. U, uh, umbrella. V, van. W, watch. X, box. Y, yellow. Z, zoo. If you noticed, most of the consonant sounds are voiced and some of them are unvoiced. Voiced sounds engage the vocal cords to produce a sound, whereas unvoiced sounds do not engage the vocal cords like the letters F, P, H, K, S, and T. I hope you really enjoyed this lesson on phonics. Keep watching this space for more as I bring many more such interesting lessons. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you soon with another video.